Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Columbus, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to walk through a question that comes up all the time. Is your old deck still safe? Maybe the boards look worn, maybe the rails feel a little loose, or maybe you are just not sure how long a deck is supposed to last. Let's break it down in simple terms. First, think about what a deck does. It is a raised platform attached to your home or standing on its own, carrying people, furniture, grills, and sometimes even hot tubs. That load is carried through the deck surface, down into joists, beams, and posts, and then into the ground. If any of those pieces weaken, the whole structure can be at risk. So we always start by looking at the parts that carry the most weight. If your deck is attached to the house, the ledger board is one of the most important spots. You want to look for gaps between the deck and the house, signs that the board is pulling away, or staining and rot around that connection. If water has been getting in behind the flashing for years, the wood can quietly decay where you cannot see it. That is the kind of hidden problem that can lead to sudden failures. Under the deck, take a look at the posts and beams if you can. Do you see cracks, leaning, or posts sitting directly in soil without proper footings? Are metal connectors rusted through, or are there places where someone used the wrong kind of fasteners? Those details matter more than many people realize. A deck can look okay from the top, but be in rough shape underneath. On the walking surface, pay attention to how it feels under your feet. If a board feels spongy or flexes more than others, that is a red flag. Boards that are cracked, splintering, or lifting at the ends can catch toes, trap water, and weaken over time. Try gently pushing on the railings in different directions. If they move more than a little, that is something you should address quickly. Stairs are another key area. Loose steps, wobbly handrails, and open gaps can all create safety risks. If a step rocks when you put weight on it, or if the handrail feels like it could come off with a hard pull, that is not something to ignore. Stair issues are one of the most common problems we see on older decks around Columbus. Sometimes, even if a deck has not had a major failure, it was built under older rules that no longer meet current safety standards. Railing heights, spacing between balusters, and how the frame is connected can all be different from what is recommended today. Upgrading or rebuilding can bring your outdoor space in line with modern expectations and give you more peace of mind. If you are already thinking about adding a pergola, covering part of the deck, or building an outdoor kitchen, deck safety becomes even more important. Extra weight and use need a strong, well-designed base. In some cases, we recommend replacing an aging wood surface with a new frame and a composite surface from a brand like Fiberon, which helps reduce splinters and surface wear while improving comfort underfoot. If you want a professional set of eyes on your deck, you can reach our team at 614-412-4686 or visit toughdeckbuilderscolumbus.com to schedule an inspection or consultation. At Tough Deck Builders Columbus, we focus on structures that feel solid today and hold up well over time in Ohio weather. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Columbus. If this episode helped you think differently about your existing deck, share it with a neighbor or family member, and join us next time as we cover more practical ways to build safer, longer-lasting outdoor spaces.